morning, everyone. I'm Abby Tanner.
And I'm Casey Chang. Welcome to WestyVCA. Here's the news for Thursday, October 14th, 2021.
Join us this evening as the girls volleyball team takes on Vista Peak right here in the Wolves' Den. The C team starts at 4:30, JV gets underway at 5:30, and varsity serves up the action beginning at 6:30. Be sure to wear your pink to support Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Go get 'em, ladies!
Let's congratulate both juniors and seniors for the fantastic show they put on at Wolfpack Memorial Stadium in last night's Powder Puff game. We know you had a blast cheering them on, and we'll show you highlights in next week's show.
Homecoming is here. Get ready to celebrate, starting with our Homecoming Pep Assembly in the Wolves' Den tomorrow. Bands will be blasting their music loud and clear, and we will receive performances from the step team, Raging Harmonies, and our WHS cheerleaders. Student Council will randomly select contestants for their activities, so make sure to come with all your energy. Let's demolish Adams City. Let's go, Wolves!
Don't miss out. Check your email now so you can vote for your homecoming court. Voting ends today at the end of the school day. The Student Council will introduce the finalists for the homecoming court at the Pep Assembly tomorrow. Homecoming royalty winners will be announced at the homecoming game. Be there to show your support.
The big homecoming game is tomorrow night, and we need to fill the Wolfpack Memorial Stadium. Kickoff starts at 7 p.m. Wear your class colors to school this Friday, and wear black to the football game on Friday night. Let's show Adams City who's boss.
Before the game kicks off, join us for a bite to eat from the Westy Wolf Bites food truck. The food truck will be parked outside Wolfpack Memorial Stadium near the main entrance. Wolf Bites will be selling their special wolf burgers, pulled pork sandwiches, quesadillas, and more from 6 p.m. until the end of the first quarter.
The homecoming dance is this Saturday in the Wolves' Den. Dress to impress and don't forget to have fun. Bring your friends or snag a date to attend this out-of-this-world event. This magical night begins at 7 p.m. and continues until 10 p.m. Tickets are $5 each and are on sale now at the accounting and athletics window. Tomorrow is your last chance to get your tickets, so be sure to grab them while you can. You don't want to miss out on this amazing chance to dance the night away with your friends. Keep in mind, you will need your school ID and you must be academically and attendance eligible in order to attend.
Now let's check in with Adrian about our October Alpha Wolves.
Thank you, Casey. Here are your October Alpha Wolves. Freshman Koa Hansen is being honored for honor. Junior Christopher Cano is being honored for leadership. And math teacher Miss Jenny Banta is being honored for achievement.
Calling all juniors and seniors. Tomorrow is our annual college fair. Come to the Wolf Den between 1 and 2 tomorrow afternoon to speak with representatives from more than 40 different colleges and universities. Check your email for information on how you can pre-register now. Walk-ins are also welcome to come down and start planning your future. Tomorrow at 1 to 2 p.m. in the Wolves' Den.
Now time for everyone's favorite part of the show, Mr. Yohnka's Bad Dad Joke of the Week.
Hey Westy, yesterday at 8 o'clock, it was very time consuming, especially when I went back for seconds. It's so bad.
Seniors, the 2021 Colorado Fee Application Days are October 19th, 20th, and 21st. Come down to the Future Center for help filling out your admission applications. And now to Alex in the Future Center.
Thank you, Casey. Financial aid application night is back in full swing. Signups are open for the Future Center Financial Aid Night today and November 3rd from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Future Center. Seniors, this is your opportunity to get step-by-step help from a financial aid expert in applying for free money to help you pay for 2 years, 4 years, or technical college. Back to you at the studio.
Thank you, Alex. That was much appreciated. Now let's take a look at our upcoming sports events next week.
Now here's today's word of the day, quirk.
And that's it for today's Wolf TV. Thanks for watching. I'm Abby Tanner, and we look forward to seeing you at these amazing events this busy week.
And I'm Casey Chang. Have a great day. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to buy your tickets and outfits for the dance.